It's race day, everybody. I am excited for this race. As you can tell in the intro, it's a Star Wars themed race, which is my kind of race. Here's the current king of the hill, Wrex, who seems like an unbeatable force. And he's still under the protection of Darth Vader. We have 16 monster trucks all ready to challenge the king. Let me get my little buddies and we'll get this started. Let's see if Bubba Fett can ride the drone. All right, he's ready. Who's gonna hit the button?
I'll do it.
Oh, almost. That was kind of ugly. We have Grogu. What are you doing? No using the Jedi Force. Put the king back down. This is the way. Good boy. We have my old Millennium Falcon, driven by Yoda. And who doesn't love an AT-AT? Luke, you better not destroy this one. We have all sorts of monster trucks and some Lego fans, and even more down by the finish line. All right, it's go time. Let's get these opened up. All right. Ooh, check out that Christmas one. And he grabbed the Max D. I got my little buddy here today again. Oh my goodness, check this out, everybody. Check out this Merry Christmas monster truck. It's got the snow on the tires, awesome stuff. And there is somebody I'm a little worried about, this monster mutt with these smooth tires. And check out the little red racer. The Gulf Pure Muscle is awesome. Well, I don't need this anymore. Or this. Great. Look at this high contrast Gravedigger. Awesome. A zombie with his eye falling out. We have the two Adventure Force trucks. Uh-oh, there's Sparkle Smash, always a threat. Hey, check out that poster. That is awesome. El Toro Loco. Final one to open up is Snake Fight. Awesome stuff. Hey, a blue squishy car. All right. Hey, two blue squishy cars. Northern Nightmare. Awesome. Let's get these lined up. All right, they're opened up and they're ready. 16 monster trucks, all getting ready to challenge the King Wrex. All right, who are you gonna pick first? He's got Night Shifter taking on the high contrast Gravedigger. Let's get them up there. They're up, they're ready. We got Night Shifter in 2 and 3. And we have the max contrast Gravedigger in 4 and 5. Who are you picking?
Gravedigger.
I agree. Let's find out. Okay, here we go. On your mark, get set, go. Ooh. Oh, look at Gravedigger come back. All right, Gravedigger's moving on. Night Shifter will sit right here and watch the rest of the race. And the winners will go across the track as they await their next opponent. All right, next truck. Who you picking?
Sparkle Smash.
Yes. Always a threat. Oh, and the Earthshaker with those cool tires. Let's get them up there. All right, they're up. They're ready. There's Sparkle Smash and there's Earthshaker. Who do you have?
Earthshaker.
Earthshaker. All right, I'm going to take Sparkle Smash. On your mark, get set, go. Good start. Sparkle Smash with the lead and the win. Whoa, we got a wreck. I hope we didn't hurt anybody over here. Yikes. And Sparkle Smash is the next truck to move on. No surprises there. And the next truck to move on to the next round is Sparkle Smash. That's kind of funny. Both of them have white tires. Here we go. We even have Darth Vader's dog. Who's picking next? Oh yes, he's got Snake Bite with the Hulk. Now this ought to be a great race. All right, they're up, they're ready. Who are you gonna pick?
Snake Bite.
On your mark, get set, go. Oh, good race. Oh, the Hulk. And the next truck to move on is Hulk. All right, getting exciting. And who are you picking next? You picked Max D. Who is Max D taking on? The zombie. Awesome stuff. Here we go. All right, he's got him up and loaded. Who are you picking?
The Max D.
I think Max D will win it too with those cool tires. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go. And look at Max D win. Yes. I'm telling you, it's these magic tires on there. Check that out. And Max D is the 4th truck to move on to the 2nd round. All right, next two. Who you picking? He's picking the Adventure Force Dinosaur. Oh boy, here he is. The Monster Mutt with those cool race tires. All right, they're up, they're ready. Who are you picking?
Monster Mutt.
Yeah, he's picking Monster Mutt, and so am I. Here we go. All right, on your mark, get set, go. Oh, goodness sakes. NASA, we may have a problem with this truck. Even Bob Ross showed up to today's King of the Hill. And the next truck to move on is the Race Ace Monster Mutt. And then there were 6. Who are you gonna pick? Oh yes, there's my truck. The Santa, driving the Merry Christmas 2020. and he's taking it against the Adventure Force Shark. Here we go. And they're up, they're ready. Merry Christmas taking on the Shark. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, look at this race. Merry Christmas is gonna win. Yes. And Merry Christmas 2020 is moving on. He was pretty darn fast though. All right, I'm super excited, but the Merry Christmas 2020 with Santa Claus is the next truck to move on. And we're down to 4. Who are you gonna pick? Yes, that is an awesome truck, isn't it? The Max D taking on Wreckreational. Ought to be a good race. Now who are you gonna pick?
The Max D.
Ooh, nice. How awesome he is. On your mark, get set, go. Come on, Max D, catch him. No, Wreckreational is too heavy and too fast. Dang it. So light. But he is cool, isn't he? Mm-hmm. And the 7th truck moving on to the second round is Wreckreational. All right, and the final 2 we have is the Wienermobile Treasure Hunt and the Gulf Pure Muscle. All right, take him away. I don't think he's nervous. Well, he might be a little nervous. All right, there you go. We have the Gulf Pure Muscle and the Wienermobile. Who are you picking?
The Wienermobile.
He's picking the Wienermobile. I'm going to take Gulf Pure Muscle. On your mark, get set, go. Good race, good race. Oh my goodness. It looks like at the very end, Gulf Pure Muscle beat him. And the final truck going on to the second round is Gulf Pure Muscle. It is going to be an exciting, exciting round. If it's really close, it'll be the best of 3. All right, here we go. The start of the second round. Who are you going to pick? He picked Gravedigger, taking on Sparkle Smash. He likes the matching tires. Here we go.
They don't have the same inside.
Oh, yeah, they do have different rims on them. All right, who are you picking?
Sparkle Smash.
Yes, me too. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, look at Sparkle go. No, Max. Gravedigger with the upset. No way. Let's switch them. All right, they're switched. They're ready. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go. Come on, Sparkle. No way. Gravedigger with the win. Unbelievable. Sparkle's out. Will you miss her? Yep. And the first truck to move on unbelievably to the third round is Gravedigger. All right, who you picking? Max D taking on Hulk. Ought to be a good race. All right, he's got him up there. There's Max D and the Hulk. Who do you have?
Max D.
Max D, me too. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go. Wow. Holy moly, that is a one and done. And the Hulk is moving on. No surprise, honestly. Here. All right, and the second truck to move on is the Hulk. 4 trucks are left. Who do you have? He's going to pick Wreckreational and Pure Muscle. Here we go. All right, he's got him up and ready. Who are you picking?
Pure Muscle.
I agree. Here we go. All right, on your mark, get set, go. Oh, look at Pure Muscle. Yes. Wow. Let's switch. All right, they're switched. They're ready. On your mark, get set, go. Wreckreational. Oh, Pure Muscle. Pure Muscle. Wow. The next truck to move on, a very narrow win, is Pure Muscle. And the final 2 trucks of the second round, come on, Merry Christmas, taking on the very scary Monster Mutt. Don't you think little Grogu is pretty cute?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. All right, he's got him up there. Who are you picking?
Merry Christmas.
Me too. Come on, please. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, no. Not even close. We have a major problem here. Well, this was my pick. Too bad. And the final truck, moving on into the third round, is Monster Mutt. All right, best of 3 from here on out before they face the King. Here we go, the third round. Who are you going to pick?
Gravedigger and Hulk.
Oh, man, what a race this will be. Here we go. All right, he's got Gravedigger up there, and now he has the Hulk. Who are you going to pick?
Gravedigger.
Gravedigger. Let's make sure they're straight. Oh, nice job. Except the back tire Hulk. Let's try it again. There. Let's see. Much better. Okay. All right, on your mark, get set, go. Look at Hulk go. Wow, that is a one and done. The Hulk is moving on. I'm telling you, this guy is legit. And moving on into the championship is the Hulk. And who is he gonna face? Let's find out. We have the Monster Mutt taking on Pure Muscle. All right, here we go. Pure Muscle and Monster Mutt. Who are you picking?
Monster Mutt.
Yeah, it's hard to say the opposite. All right, on your mark, get set, go. And Monster Mutt. Oh. And Monster Mutt barely came out with that win. Let's switch them up. All right, they're up, they're ready. On your mark, get set, go. Oh boy, it is over. Wow, unbelievable. I may have made a mistake putting him in this race. And here we have it. We have Monster Mutt taking on Hulk to see who's gonna take on the King. Real quick, here are the drivers. Championship race to see who's gonna take on the King. Get him up there. All right, here we go. We got Monster Mutt taking on Hulk. Who do you have?
Monster Mutt.
All right, I'm gonna take Hulk. Here we go for the championship. On your mark, get set, go. Hey, not a... It was pretty close, but Monster Mutt with the first win. Let's switch them up. Oh yeah, see what hides under the track? Can the Hulk pull out a win? On your mark, get set, go. Oh, not looking good. And Monster Mutt is gonna take on the King. What have I done? Let's find out who's gonna win. And there you have it. For the championship at KITT Racing. He's had a long reign as the king of KITT Racing. Is it about to end? Let's find out. But before we do, here are the drivers for Monster Mutt one more time. All right, let's get him up there.
I have a bad feeling about this.
I have a bad feeling about this too, but here we go. Mega Wrex in 4 and 5, and Monster Mutt in 2 and 3. Who do you have?
Monster Mutt.
Monster Mutt? Oh boy. I'm going with the King. All right, come on, Mega Wrex. On your mark, get set, go. The King almost came back, but he did not. Oh boy. Let's switch them up. All right, come on, Mega Wrex. All right, they're up, they're loaded. Let me get those repositioned and we'll be racing. All right, Mega Wrex, come on. Here we go. On your mark. Get set, go. Out to the quick jump. And it is over. Mega Wrex has fallen. And the new king of the hill is the Monster Mutt with the Race Ace tires. I am totally shocked. And so is everybody else, but it looks like we have a new king, the Monster Mutt. We're gonna see how he does on an outside jump track really soon. Here's my previous king of the hills, and it's time to add yet another victim. And Mega Wrex is the 5th ex-king of the hill. Congratulations everybody who picked Monster Mutt. You will now have forever glory as the KITT Racing King of the Hill.